Luna by and large is a low-position cryptographic money presently estimated at 0.437933 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of 154.147 to 282 in a very huge manner over the truly past most certainly couple of years. Cryptographic forms of money, including Luna, laid out an extremely impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards. Forex in a kind of significant way. A few institutional financial backers in any event generally consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unpretentious way. Retail financial backers and dealers for the most part are somewhat keen on digital currencies, for example Luna, since this truly is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources fundamentally have the buy and large potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately brief time frame, and if for the most part huge manner, these profits truly are somewhat unreachable in especially different business sectors, which is the motivation behind why most exceptionally moderate financial backers especially are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Luna, while the groundbreaking ones in a real sense give a critical piece of their truly funding to this quickly creating resource class. At this very specific intersection, the efforts of all market participants drove the price of Luna to 0.437933, where it sits now in a very important way. As was already mentioned, Luna is a low-ranking cryptocurrency because it is currently ranked 100th in the world. However, this ranking is not completely set in stone because it is calculated by multiplying the current price by the market capitalization of the cryptocurrency. The significance of this boundary will in every practical sense, but in every way that really matters, made sense of later, or Citi especially thought our cost forecast calculation by and large is planned and truly such a manner that it ceaselessly screams both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the especially present status of the market and future possibilities. Permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently evaluate the condition of their portfolio and fundamentally choose whether or not it explicitly should be reconfigured. Our calculation likewise pays in every practical sense unique thoughtfulness regarding verifiable information, which in every way that really matters is essentially fundamental for the essentially right assessment of both kind of current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its especially present and future course in an unpretentious manner. Underneath you will truly find truly key portions of this verifiable information, with the goal that you also could truly have a comprehension of where the Luna market certainly is going in a very significant manner. Last month, on August 18, Luna was valued at 0.421844 at the time of the first meeting between the two groups. Remember that digital currencies are usually traded every day, so each trading meeting usually ends at 12 p.m. In a significant way, the price change over that time period added up to $2.94. 7 days earlier, on August 12, Luna was traded at 0.559856 at the end of the trading meeting, which was a 0% price change from that day's price. The cost of Luna and the CVIX readings are not the only things we use to measure the cost expectations of by and large important way. Market capitalization is another important metric that helps traders figure out how popular a digital currency is and what its future prospects are. Some institutional financial backers even see crypto as a good way to protect themselves from the world economy's growth and fluctuations. It's also used to evaluate the offer that Luna makes. What most people think the formula for figuring out the market price is pretty simple. As of the time of compassing, the market capitalization of Luna basically stays at 154.147 to 282, making it the 100th biggest coin on the digital money market. 7 days ago, on August 12, the total capitalization of Luna was $192,944,697, which shows that this kind of profit is usually out of reach in other industries. This is why most moderate investors are adding digital currencies like Luna to their existing portfolios carefully or explicitly, while the most innovative investors put a lot of money into this quickly growing resource. At this very specific intersection, the efforts of all market participants brought the price of Luna to its current level of 0.437933. A month ago, on July 19, the amount of capital flowing through this very specific market was 209.682.583, which shows that the market capitalization of Luna is still 154.147.282. The importance of this limit will become clear later on. Despite what most people think, most crypto money financial backers stick to the rule that market capital is nation also decides the risk associated with a specific digital currency and its ability to withstand disturbances, which are pretty common on this very unstable market. Most of the time, the total supply of Luna is still at zero for 262,701 coins. In a very big way, the current supply of the digital currency under study is 351,987,905 coins. Luna showing how our calculation also focuses on verifiable information, which is very important for a correct assessment of both the current and expected market structure, as well as an accurate assessment of how the present and future will affect the price of Luna in a big way. Walden T really be finished without the description of the trading volume available question, because it is the practical metric used by almost all cryptocurrency traders to check the strength of a pattern and the suitability of a market move, or so they can get a bigger picture, like if the breakout to the potential gain is happening on a Tuesday or a Thursday. Bitcoin price prediction as $5 billion in trading volume puts BTC back in the green. Is it time to buy? In the complicated world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is at the forefront of strategic discussions. Its impressive $5 billion trade volume, which has put the asset back in the black, is a good example of this. Even with this momentum, the commodity is worth about $26,011 as of Monday, which is a slight drop of nearly 0.1%. This price isn't just based on how the market works, it's also heavily influenced by how people feel. The recent ideas President Biden made about how cryptocurrency tax reporting standards should work have gotten the global cryptocurrency group very busy with discussions. Also, the financial markets are acting more cautiously after Chairman Powell's pointed comments about the current U.S. inflation rates, which he says are too high. As people try to make sense of this complicated web, the most important question is whether Bitcoin is a good way to trade in the current financial system. Different people have different opinions about what Biden wants to do with crypto tax reporting standards. People with a lot of influence in the cryptocurrency world are worried about the new crypto tax reporting rules that U.S. Vice President Joe Biden is proposing. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, plan to make brokers follow tax laws better by giving them tighter rules has been criticized. Crypto experts worry that these rules